I'd turn back if I were you. I believe there's spooks around here.
That's ridiculous. Spooks. That's silly.
Don't you believe in spooks?
No. Why, oh! Oh, are you all right?
I do believe in spooks. 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 I do.
You believe in more than that before I finish with you. Take your army to the haunted forest and bring me that girl and her dog. Do what you like with the others, but I want her alive and unharmed. They'll give you no trouble, I promise you that. Take special care of those ruby zippers. I want those most of all. Now fly! Fly!
They tore my legs off and they threw them over there. Then they took my chest out and they threw it over there. Well, that's you all over.
They sure knocked the stuffings out of you, didn't they?
Don't stand there talking. Put me together. We've got to find Dorothy.